Hey guys, an update on Lucid. So we are at all-time lows. Price is trying, and yeah, without having an 886 hit here, it's pushing, so that's good. But we also had it here, so this means nothing yet. Okay, we need 5 waves to the upside, and then the support box needs to hold. We need, yeah, at least get back above like a previous swing and then hold a higher low, because if you look at price, every time it retraces to a previous swing, it fails and it goes lower. Here again we retrace to this one, failed, retracing. Okay, here we took it, but you can see here this structure is not nice, overlap, we don't want that. Here again we try to retrace, but back down. Here again trying to retrace to here, back down. So it's still very early. Okay, I have a little bit of this because they make really sexy cars, and I drive a Tesla myself. I love electric vehicles. This one is a bit more of a luxury brand. They have Saudi backing. So yeah, I see there's potential. Also, if you look here, 480 million is what they are expecting for next quarter. Plus, starting in 2026, Uber will order 20,000 cars from them, across like a few years time. So that will be added to the revenue they're already making and generating, and it's really growing. So 484 is what they expect for Q4. Compare that to Q4 last year, it's more than 100% year-on-year growth, okay? But the problem is this: their profit is decreasing. We should see this go towards zero, okay? Revenue growth is important, yes, but not if your cost of revenue is increasing even more, okay? And your cost of revenue is, I already said this I think in a previous video, marketing. Look at their Insta, they really involve like celebrities in the US, etc. They really have a nice Instagram page and they really put in effort. But it's important. There is a lot of competition, so they need to spread their brand, you know. It's important to do this, and yeah, it will cost money. Distribution, sales, etc. I think maybe including to that is also, can I look like this? Tesla, fuck, dealers. You have, I just mean you have way more Tesla dealers. Why do I not look it up here? Why does it not show it here? But yeah, whatever, I don't need to show it. I think I'm pretty certain there is a lot of way more Tesla dealers than Lucid dealers. For example, building those dealerships also costs money. I think that's also included in here potentially, okay? Cost of revenue, yeah, to make that revenue you need dealers to sell the cars, and I don't know how it exactly works. I'm just thinking, but could be a reason that there is so much cost alongside the marketing, okay? And then yeah, R&D, they're paying. This is your operating income. Also important, you see here, this even extends, okay? This is almost 1 billion in loss. So they have a lot of catch up to do. Not catch up the sauce, but catching up to do. So yeah, we will look at the next earnings and we will see if this finally goes back towards zero. But again, this can take a lot of time. They have money from the Saudis, so I don't think they are really stressing about that. They have a lot of competition, so yeah. 2026, they will, I think, also release a third model, like a mid-size, and I think a little bit of a cheaper model, because the models they have now are really expensive ones. Not a lot of people can afford it. And yeah, that's it. Really a lot of background things that I'm thinking of rather than the stock, because there is still nothing on the chart that I can give or do, okay? So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.